Let them blow them, eh?
They don't go to blow them.
But they go blow them. Now what beat they do? What beat? See them now. Now what beat they do? Talk the truth. And go fight government. You don't they do rubbish. Make them blow them now. Make them keep maybe 5 or 7.
This thing is not making any sense.
Now when they won't start like this now. Let's say they carry gun, they get everything.
They pursue them.
See them. Oh, I need to do what they bad this one see. What they go fight? Hey, yeah, you see it. What they go fight? Show you. Show you. Hey. What they go come down me?
Now, bro, now they go shoot out. They're not going to fit do them anything.
What they go come down me?
They're not going to fit do them anything. You say they destroy his property now. You wait, they talk say, what did they do?
One way, show you inside. One way. One they do all man. They like you are in Juro. Men they fight like this. These men they all fight. Don't be like this. Hey, my father, that where? Yes, now I support this police now.
You don't want fire, and that's good.
They made a difference.
I saw what I said.
Hey, come on, show you all. Show you. Hey. Ṣé mo fẹ́ ìṣòlú wà lọ́wọ́ wọn àbí wọ́n kò máa pàjá yín dànù ní sàárà? Sílẹ̀. Ọ̀gá abẹ́ leave them o, they don't know what they do. See no man, abẹ́ náà leave them o. Ṣé bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe báyìí náà, people now? Hey! You saw these people. Okay, they all protect the number in here. Only one fún wọn náà. Ṣé ká wá bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ sí?
Ẹgbẹ́ ilé wa ni ṣé nǹkan tó wá ní?
Kitu among them, just Kitu.